Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving north on Knutsford Boulevard in New Kingston, St. Andrew Parish. To the right is the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. We are driving in the Kingston 5 area. Turning off Knutsford Boulevard onto Park Boulevard. On the left is Emancipation Park, which is a major city park established in 2002. The road to the right is Park Close. To the right is the Courtyard by Marriott Hotel. Park Boulevard ends, and just ahead is the National Housing Trust, NHT. We are making a U-turn. Again, on the left is the Courtyard by Marriott Hotel. The road on the left is Park Close. We are back at Knutsford Boulevard. Going right will take you onto Oxford Road towards Crossroads, Downtown Kingston, Port Royal and other places, as well as towards the Norman Manley International Airport. We have made the left into the New Kingston Neighbourhood. To the right is the Courtleigh Hotel and Suites. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.